How to download monthly account statements from Discover Bank on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to save your Discover Bank statements, well here is how to download them on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once you're inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here simply log in with your credentials and once logged in, you can simply select the account you want like checking, savings or credit card and after that you can go to the statements and downloads in the account menu to see all available statements. And there you can just click on the month you need to view the statement in PDF format and after that you can just hit download or save as to save it directly to your desktop. And you can repeat for other months if needed and keep them organized in a folder for easy access. And that's it. That's how you can download monthly account statements from Discover Bank on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.